Hi, everybody. Erin Troy. I am in Drexel Hill, right outside of Philadelphia. Um, I am basically a stay-at-home mother of three beautiful children: John 14, Jack 11, Beverly 5. Law enforcement wife, president of the PTA, and I'm involved in just about everything I could possibly get involved in. Professionally, I do teach cycling and yoga and other such fitness classes at the Healthplex a couple times a week. And I'm a professional student, like the rest of you guys. Um, let's see. What have I learned in past courses? Much to my chagrin, I've learned a lot of Excel and APA formatting and all of that other technical stuff that I've been away from for, a good 15 years now. Um, I would say I've learned really a lot about the profession and the whole world of social work since I'm not currently working in it. I would say it's in my day to day, but not currently working in it. It makes me almost feel like I'm working in it and picking up the experience because I really am learning a lot and getting a good picture of what my future will be in the profession. What am I looking forward to learning? Um, Learning more about you guys. So I would say I'm not a huge fan of group work only because it is so hard coordinating everybody's schedules and such, but it has been nice meeting people outside of my mommy realm and kids and my students at my classes. So it is nice. Looking forward to meeting new people. I think we froze. We're back, and we're back. Um, yeah, the smaller groups is really nice because you really do get to intimately meet people. Um, but yeah, I'm looking forward to picking up more tidbits and knowing more that this fabulous profession has to offer for me. And that's about it. So I didn't see any group work in the lineup, which I won't lie, made me kind of happy at first. Um, but I would say that as we all move forward and work together in this, I still keep in contact with my fabulous dyad partner that we got in the first class and stuff. So I'm looking forward to still reaching out and when we comment on each other's stuff and the discussions, it still feels like you're doing group work just on your own time, which is awesome. Um, so I look forward to this class and everything that it has to offer. And yeah, that's it. So good luck, everybody.